American Airlines, meanwhile, announced that they have extended the suspension of all flights to China till the 24th of April amid the outbreak. The world's top airlines, including most national carriers, also have made similar decisions as the number of infected people in China continues to rise. The aviation industry has been one of the worst affected sectors due to the outbreak. The sector saw a 40% decline in demand by the end of January as compared to the same period last year. Most countries had sent special flights to evacuate their citizens from Wuhan, but since then, airlines suspended direct flights to China and Hong Kong. American Airlines extended the suspension of services to China till the 24th of April, that is over 2 months away, giving an indication that the US believes that the threat due to coronavirus is set to continue. Strict quarantine requirements, travel bans on Chinese citizens, and concerns for the crew safety, leaving only a limited pool of private jet operators willing to fly to China. Most airports in China now sport a deserted look due to the drastic decrease in international traffic. Most other airlines, including Air Canada, Air New Zealand, Philippine Airlines, Royal Air Maroc, Singapore Airlines, among others, have announced cancellation or suspension of their services. Pakistan has maintained flights to and from other cities in China. The Pakistani Health Ministry has justified that move with assurances that all passengers are screened on their arrival from China. Meanwhile, 500 Pakistani students remain stuck in Wuhan, that is the epicenter of the outbreak.
ब्लड टेस्ट किया जाए और फिर हमें हमारे मुल्क पाकिस्तान पहुंचाया जाए।
तो हमारी दरख्वास्त है, उनका हमारा हम दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि बराए मेहरबानी इंसानियत की खातिर हमारे लिए कुछ करें। हम बराए मेहरबानी।
In fact, in just the first week of February, Pakistan decided to resume flights to and from China. The move, drawing sharp criticism, came as dozens of airlines across the world halted both inbound and outbound flights from the Chinese mainland. Currently, around 46 people are under quarantine in Pakistan. Of those, 5 are suspected carriers of the infection. By its own admission, though, Pakistan is not equipped to both contain or treat the suspected cases, and it yet continues to receive hundreds of passengers, including Chinese nationals, at a time when the coronavirus is beginning to peak. Pakistan followed what other nations had done in the wake of the outbreak. They too, like many others, stopped inbound and outbound flights to China. But on the 3rd of February, Prime Minister Imran Khan's government, the public health advisor there, announced that flights to and from China will not be stopped. The very same day, 3 flights from China with around 350 passengers, including Chinese nationals, landed in Pakistan. Currently, there are 8 flights from China to Pakistan that operate weekly. And curiously enough, February 3rd is also when Pakistan reportedly said that it had developed its very own COVID-19 diagnostics kit. Around 100 passengers from Beijing, Guangzhou and other areas land in Pakistan to go about their day every week. Most of the flyers are not tourists, but engineers and high-level contractors that supervise the work which is underway in Pakistan. So, given the volume of to and fro travel, how is it that Pakistan has not declared any confirmed case of the virus? In the Indian subcontinent, both India and Nepal have confirmed coronavirus carriers, and as we said earlier, both government officials and doctors admitted that the country lacks fundamental care centers and diagnostics infrastructure to handle the threat.